In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a brand ambassador or an influencer using AI. Now, it's really simple and I'm going to give you 3 points to try this out. Let's dive right in. Now, the tool we are going to be using to make our influencer is SellerPick AI. Now, this is how SellerPick looks, and all we have to do is go to AI tools on the left over here. Now, when we get the AI tools, we're going to try something interesting. Now, they're going to be a fashion influencer for a brand. So I want them to be wearing the clothes of the brand so it looks more authentic. So we click on virtual try on apparel. So when we come over here, it gives us options at the top here. If you want her to just wear a top or only a bottom, full body, that is a top and a bottom, a one-piece garment like maybe a dress or something. Now I'm gonna choose a full body, which is gonna be a top and a bottom, because we sell both tops and bottoms. So I'm gonna click on device for the top. All right, I've selected the top. I'm gonna select the bottom as well. I have got the top and then I've got the bottom as well. Now we're going to the next stage. So for the next stage, we can select from the current set of models that the AI tool has, or we can upload our own model. So if you have an image of somebody or you want to use yourself, that's fine. But I want to create someone from scratch. So I'm going to go to select a model, and I'm at the top here, I'm going to select custom. At the top right, you see model maker. Click on model maker. So with this, it's an opportunity to use a prompt to describe the type of influencer or model you want. So these are some of the models I have created in the past. There's him, there's him, there's him. When it comes to the prompt, you're really open to write whatever you want and be as descriptive as possible. So you want to talk about the person's hairstyle, the person's size, maybe what they're wearing as well, and all that. Those are the type of things you're looking at. You can go to Smart Optimizing to enhance your description. Now, what this does is it gives more information. So as you can see, my prompt was really simple and short, but the AI really put it in detail. Next, you have two options: Google Image Gen. This is what the AI is going to be running with, or ChatGPT 1. I usually stay with Google Image Gen 4 because this is also the default. Now it's just going to take 1 credit to create this your model. So we click on generate and we'll just wait it out. In my description, I have a link to 3 points to try SellerPick AI. It's going to take about 1 minute and then your model will be ready. All right. We have a beautiful model in her capri pants, and this is fire. Came with a shadow as well, and she's smiling. She has a high ponytail. This is 100% what we are looking for. Now, the only thing I guess the AI got wrong is that her slippers are supposed to be flat, and I think the AI missed that when it was refining. But I'm okay with the heels. The heels are giving. So I'm going to click on the download button over here. And you can go for free download, which is not a problem. But if you want it to be super high quality, you can go for 4K, which would take 2 extra credits. I'm going to go with free download over here. I'm going to use this for social media, so I don't really care too much about the size of the image. All right, so she's been downloaded onto our device, but we're going to come below here and we're going to say use this image as custom model. So we're going to click on this and it's going to save this image for us to use today and also in the future. Now, in order to save it, it kind of needs to map up the items. So now for the first, we are going to decide if we want it for top, just for bottoms, or if we want it for full body. I'm going to go with full body because I like the combination over here, which is fine. You can always adjust the area if the AI did not get the area right. So you can, for instance, use the brush plus to go over the areas it missed. It didn't really miss anything over here for me, so we're going to click on confirm. All right, so it's just asking for a confirmation. Yes. So this is the outfit that we want the model to wear. And now we choose the pose we want her to be. I want a close-up and then I want a full view front. This is about it. You can always do a back, full back, and all that, but I am not interested in that right now. These 2 poses work for me. So once you select the poses you want, we are good to go, and we just have to click generate. It's going to take 2 credits. So currently we've used just 3 credits. let's see what we get. All right, so our images are ready. So we had one close-up and one full image. So this is the close-up image, and oh my goodness, this is perfect. This is perfection. So we have here in the top and the pants, which is amazing. I'm just gonna click download before I forget. I'm gonna opt for free download in PNG. And then we move on to the next one over here. Oh, this is so cool. She's looking to the side and she's smiling. The outfit is giving, so we're going to click on download as well. Free download in PNG again. Now we want to make this an influencer for video, right? So over here we have image to video. We can just click on the image to video. So over here in the video tab, we have presets here that we can follow. She can just model like some of these ones are doing, or we can do our own thing with our own prompt. We can also leave the prompt blank. That means the AI is going to do what it wants to do. I'm going to come up with a very, very simple prompt. So this is my prompt. The lady's looking down at the clothes she's wearing and blows a kiss. Let's see how that goes. Now we have options. We can go with some of these default styles, but we kind of don't want to do presets today. And we also have a choice of time. If you want to do it 5 seconds, 10 seconds, I'm going to do 5 seconds. It's going to take 10 credits for the 5 seconds, 15 credits for 10 seconds. So let's stick with the 5 and generate. The video usually takes a little bit longer, so we'll just wait it out. Whilst we're waiting for this, let's try a lip sync video. So you can upload from history or device. So we can go with history and go to my creations, and then we can pick the image that we already did. I'm going to take the close-up one this time. We want her to talk. Now we have options of uploading an audio that we've recorded before, or we put a text script, get a voice, and then we use that. So I'm going to upload an audio. Okay, so I have uploaded our audio. It's taking just 4 seconds, but it takes a maximum of 20 seconds. I feel like I am underutilizing my 40 credits, but this is just to show you how it's done. So let's go. Now there's a prompt, voice prompt over here, which is optional. It's supposed to give the AI an idea of the movements of the model while she's talking. So I would like her to have a few hand gestures. All right, so now we're just gonna click generate now that everything is ready, and we'll wait it out. Our first video is ready. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. So she smiles, she looks down at her clothes, and then she kisses. Love it. I love the video. So we're just gonna download the video over here. It comes in different options of downloads. I'm going to go with MP4, which is the default, and click on free download, and it gets downloaded onto my device. Now we are left with just the lip sync video. Let's check out the lip sync video. All right, our talking video is ready. Let's go.
I'm going to show you how to style multicolored tops.
You'd see that the lips actually sync to what she's saying. One thing I would advise is not to use images that are super close up. So the further away the model is, the better. All we have to do is download this over here. So next, all we have to do is put the videos together and come up with something interesting for our AI influencer. Now, another thing I wanted to do is another image to video, which shows a transition from the clothes she was wearing initially to the ones that she's wearing. Upload from device. All right, so I'm going to create a simple prompt. I want to create some kind of transition video. So I want the model to walk forward and cover the camera with her palm. I don't know how this is going to work out, but let's see how it goes. All I have to do is click on generate and we wait. All right, so our video is done and I'm kind of nervous. I want to see how it goes. Let's go. Let's take a look. Okay, she's walking forward. Yeah. Okay, so she walks forward and she covers, but not completely. She was supposed to cover the camera completely with her palm. I don't blame the AI because I should have written that in the prompt. And so this is still cool. But this video can be used, so no worries at all, because we could just blur it from here and then switch on to the next transition. And let's watch the gracefulness once again. This is amazing. So we're just gonna click on the download button and we get the free download. At the end of the video, I'm gonna play what I did with it so you can have a look. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, I have free credits to try SellerPick AI in my description. Check it out. If you want to buy more credits too, that's fine. Try this tool out and let me know if it helps you and your brand. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Woo!